Hey guys, today I want to show you the installation requirements for the rollover car wash machine. Firstly, you should have a working space with 4 meters width and 10 meters long. 往这边走。Then you need to make sure the thickness of concrete under the track is more than 20 centimeters. And you should also make sure the horizontal arrow is less than 2 centimeters. If the ground is not flat enough, it will reduce the service life of the working wheels of this machine. The power requirement is 380 volt and 25 kilowatt. The water supply is pretty easy to fulfill. You only need a water pipe, which model is DN25. Because we have water tanks to store water. Then the water will be pumped by water pump from this tank. After all those things are prepared, then the last thing you need to do is buying a car wash machine. This is Thomas, an expert of car wash machine.